100 over 10. Brother, you're good na. Huh? I love you. Ayoko, anak ko. Sus, I love you, brother. Brother, thank you for coming to Mama's life. Thank you. You've been a blessing. I will miss you, baby ko. Country mo, mabuhay ka o hindi ko bahala. Basta sana happy pa ako. Love kita, thank you. Anong BP mo? 100 over 10.
Nako ba tayo? Para puro lang.
Hi, good morning everyone. Ngayon po ay nasa estansyo tayo at unahan po tayo ni Kuya Jay. Yan po ang aming matinee idol ng Regal Rex. At so ngayon po meron po akong special guest na pangalan ko niya ay Joy. Siya po ang CEO ng Sparkles and Joys. So anong puhunan mo dito sa Sparkles and Joys?
Okay, bebe, kasi pinautang mo po ako ng puhunan.
Don't mention it. Cut mo, cut.
Thank you po.
Tapos natatanggal talaga.
Kasi yung ano, parang binabasa. Kasi may usok niya sa nandito kami sa Hong Kong.
Yeah. Makati sa Hong Kong.
Mainit.
Yan, hi guys. Tapos na yung exam ko, yung APE ko. So, kakain na tayo. Ang dami natin pagkain. Meron tayong pusit, kare-kare, toge, mangga, siomay, sawan. May natin pagkain. Sa pawan. Tut. Ay, sus. Nagpwesto. Ay, sus. Ay, sus.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness. Been alone too many nights. You came by the other day, dropped off a key.
birthday, Ollie! Wow, no? No?
Hindi niya daw birthday.
No? Ayo! Ayo, my bestie boy! Ay, sus, ang taba-taba mo naman!
People running off to work. No one sees how much you hurt. It doesn't matter.
Para lang maalala mo. Chuk!
Double coffee down the street, the place we always used to meet. It's getting
Ganda! Cute!
I know it's only been 2 weeks. I can't
Kunwari lang nag-usap na.
Oo, iniyak ko siya syempre. Pero, you have no choice but to accept.
Very po siya. Oo po.
Hi, Natty and Basti. Say hi to Mama. Hi, Handsome. Hi, handsome boy. Hi, Natty, Natty. I miss you. I miss you, my baby Natty. Ah, baby. Hi. He is my pony boy, Betty. Daddy, ang wet-wet. Rinig niyo po na naman si Tato. Kumawa naman. Saba. Get up, Batman. Let's eat, Natty.
Baby, I won't be sad. Oh, maybe I won't be sad.
Tama ba, sis?